Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel Study Up. Today I am going to share important MCQs for TSSPDCL JPO exam. Today's topic is Factories Act 1948. Before going into this video, please subscribe and like my channel and share the video. Click on bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. First question is, in which year did Factories Act came into force? 23rd September 1948, 1st April 1949, 4th April 1949, 12 September 1948. Correct answer is 1st April 1949. Next question is, how many days at least in advance does the occupier of a factory premises give notice of occupancy to the chief inspector? Options: 15 days, 20 days, 10 days, 25 days. Correct answer is 15 days. Next question. What are the general duties of an occupier? First one is maintenance of a plant and a system of a work in a factory or safe without risk to health, ensure safety and absence of risk to health in use, handling, storage and transport of articles and substance, specifying the area, defining the local mean time ordinarily deserved therein. Options: fourth, third, only first and second, all of the above. Correct answer is C. Next question. Which provision regarding health are mentioned in section 11 to 20 in Factories Act? Cleanliness, dust and fumes, ventilation and temperature, disposal of waste. Options: only 1 and 3, only 1 and 4, none of the above, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Next question. As per the Factories Act, after how many years should factory premises be painted and refurnished? Options: 5 years, 2 years, 10 years, annually. Correct answer is 5 years. Next one. As per section 2 in Factories Act, who called be an adult? Options: a person who has completed 21 years of age, a person who is less than 19 years of age, a person who has completed 24 years of age, a person who is completed 18 years of age. Correct answer is a person who has completed 18 years of an age called as an adult. Next question. Section 2G under the Act defines option: factory, manufacturing process, worker, occupants. Correct answer is manufacturing process. Next question is match the following. It's related to sections and section names. Approval, licensing and registration of factories, arrangements for drinking water, maintenance of building and production of ice. Correct answer is A, where approval, licensing and registration factories, and the correct answer is section 6. Arrangements for drinking water is section 18. Maintenance of building is section 40A. Production of ice is section 35. Next question. If there are dash number of employees, then the employer has to provide a canteen. Options: 250, 510, 320, 100. Correct answer is 250. Next question is, which of the following disease is not mentioned in the section 89 of Factories Act? Anthrax, asbestos, phosphorus, pneumonia. Correct answer is pneumonia, which is not a notifiable diseases under section 89 Factories Act 1948. Next question is, as per section 94, a person who repeats an offence, he shall be punishable with an imprisonment for a term which may extended up to dash years, and the fine shall not less than 10,000 rupees, but which may extended up to dash or both. Option: 3 years or 2 lakhs, 5 years as 1,20,000, 2 years or 2,50,000, 4 years or correct answer is 3 years or 2 lakhs. Next question. If a company has dash number of employees, then the appointment of a safety officer is mandatory under the Factories Act. Options: 500, 100, 1000 or 10,000. Correct answer is 1000. Next question is, which of the following is an obligation of an employer is mentioned in the Factories Act? Option: oh no, it's a sentences. Provide all benefits and facilities to the workers regarding annual leave, weekly holidays and extra wage for overtime, washing, first aid, canteen, rest and lunchrooms. And the next one is applicable to all workers. And next one, to prevent hazardous growth of factories through the provisions related to approval of plans before the creation of factories, to ensure adequate safety measures and to promote health and welfare of workers employed factories. Options only C, only A, B and C and D, all of the above. Correct answer is only A, where I have given the reason. Fitness certificate granted under subsection 2 of Act is valid for how many months? Option 10 months, 24 months, 6 months and 12 months. Correct answer is 12 months. Next one, from the below mentioned option, which are the following is not mentioned under the welfare provision in the Factories Act? Options canteen, crutches, drinking water, first aid. Correct answer is drinking water. Drinking water falls under health. All other falls under welfare provisions in the Factories Act. Next question. Which section of Act covers the topic annual leave with the wages? Section 27, Section 5, Section 89, Section 79. Correct answer is Section 79. Next one. How many hours in a week can adult work as per Factories Act? 9 hours, 56 hours, 34 hours, 48 hours. Correct answer is 48 hours. Next question. If there are 100 workers in the factory, then one seat is allotted to how many workers? Options 25, 50, 100, 75. Correct answer is 25. Next question. How many schedules and section consists of Factories Act? Options 130 section and 2 schedules, 120 section and 3 schedules, 150 sections and 5 schedules, 120 sections and 1 schedule. Correct answer is option B, 120 section and 3 schedule. Next question. Section 99 of Factories Act deals with which of the following options? Options appeal, penalty for permitting double employment of a child, display of notice, penalty for obstructing inspector. Correct answer is penalty for permitting double employment of a child. Last question. Who is called adolescent? A person who has completed 15 years and not less than 18 years of age. A person who completed 19 years and not less than 21 years of age. A person who is completed 18 years not less than 25 years of age. A person who is completed 25 years and not less than 28 years of age. Correct answer is option A, a person who has completed 15 years and not less than 18 years of age, called as adolescent. And that's all friends for today's video. Please check out links in the description on JPO related topics. For more content of Factories Act, please refer the PDF link in the description. Thank you so much friends.